Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to take the Vanessa by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that second shade and put that all over my lids. I put on my lashes, and now I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil and the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos and comment because I would love to hear from you all. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using the Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. highlight, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm. I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline, and use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the AB8 setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, the shade 440 as my all over face powder. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush Volume 4 palette. And I'm just going to take that dark pink shade and use that for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the Santee Long Lasting Matte Lipstick in 14, and I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this easy one eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from you all. And also, please share this video. I would really appreciate that as well. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.